Hey, what's going on, guys? Greg Hickman here with Systemly, and I wanted to chat with you about a one-day event that we're holding here in Denver. We have one in April, May, and June. And really, if you are a service provider, a marketing agency, and you are at the point where you really feel like you can't take on any more clients, let me redraw that. You're at the point where you can't really take on any more clients. And over here, you have the opportunity. And over here, you actually have your capacity, right? And your units over here are completely full, right? And the opportunity exceeds that, right? We'd even kind of go like this, right? Like there's so much opportunity available to you that you can't even capitalize on it because you're maxed out. You've hit a ceiling on how many clients you can actually serve at any given point. And really it might have you feeling like, hey, we're this agency, right? But we actually don't want to be an agency anymore. We're tired of doing custom projects. We're tired of the done for you. We're tired of really just kind of the proposal process, scope creep, and really solving any problem that our client might have. Well, if that's you, what we really need to start thinking about is how do you start to package your expertise and wrap a service layer around it. We call this productizing. So we're going to look at, all of the things you're good at and how do we start putting them into a box, right? Putting them into a box that is essentially, your intellectual property, right? Your intellectual process for getting your existing clients from their problem to where they're happy, the result that they want, right? So we're going to look at all of the things that you've ever done for your clients. We're going to put that into a box so that you can go out to the market and say, hey, this is what we sell. We sell this process that is, 3, 4, 5 steps to getting you from, over here where you're not happy to over here where you're happy. Now, depending upon what type of agency you run, the types of results you get your clients might differ. So in our one day in Denver together, we're going to work with you through a process that we've used ourselves and with now over hundreds of clients to help package up their expertise into selling a specific outcome for a fixed price. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at, based on what that is for you, what is the optimal delivery method? Is it a coaching offer? Is it consulting, right? Is it a premium course? Is it still a service, right? And we're going to look at the different elements to deliver that with scale. And really there's kind of 3 ingredients. There is the training that you'll deliver to your clients, the consulting, and then we'll call it the implementation, right? This is like the done for you part that you're used to. And we're going to take you through a process that allows you to work through exactly what you do to realize, oh, here's how I can now update my offer and how I deliver it so that I can go from serving 2 clients a month and doubling that to, 4 a month and whatever your numbers are. Really, we can help you double your capacity at minimum. Sometimes it's a 3x capacity, right? So without even adding more leads to the system, when we looked at that graph before, you're going to be able to start increasing your capacity without necessarily adding more, having to go spend money on leads, right? Because we already have a position where there's opportunities for you. You're just not capitalizing on them. And if we package this correctly and we structure your delivery and or your delivery team correctly, and that might look different for you than potentially another agency, depending upon your goals and outcome, we will have a new leveraged delivery model that is going to allow you to work with more clients at any given time, which usually means you're going to be able to at least double or triple your revenue without necessarily adding more expenses, right? Without having to go hire more experts and all of that great stuff. So if you're currently an agency owner and or you're a freelancer and you're doing services maybe behind the scenes for others, and really you just become like a glorified freelancer or kind of just feel like you're an employee in their business, and you want to start launching something or want to start selling something that is, yours, right? That you control, that you can grow and really have a business that starts to serve you, then join me in Denver, Colorado for a one-day intensive. We have dates in April, May, and June, and each and every month we're essentially holding one of these events. So check out the link below, grab your ticket. Super affordable for you to come jam on this for a full day, you and I together. Very limited number of seats, so it's going to be an intimate experience, and you'll walk away with exactly the thing that you're going to sell, how you're going to deliver it, and even the funnel that you're going to use to get your first 5 to 10 clients. If that sounds like something that would help you, we'd love to see you at the event. Click the link below. Got any questions? Feel free to reach out and talk to you soon.